how it feels to buy insurance, how it feels to what they call it, to buy gas when you are using people's car without buying gas.
So you're telling YouTube I'm cheap and I don't pay for gas in your car?
You don't pay. When was the last time you paid gas?
When my mother was here.
Only once.
Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? It's Bay and I. Where's Bay? Bay is right there. We're actually going out. We're going car shopping. It's just time for me to get a car. He does Uber full time now. He quit his regular job. He's doing Uber full time. He's found much success with it.
I'm a cab driver. I love it.
He's a great driver, so he's doing Uber full time. And at first, when we were talking about Uber, I didn't even know you could. Like, I know you could do Uber full time, but I didn't know people could make money. But he's doing really well, and I'm so happy for him. All I want is success for him. So he's doing really well. I'm so happy. The guy is retro. The guy is retro. So sharing a car was fine when he wasn't doing Uber full time, because when he went to work and went to sleep, I could just go and drive the car. But now I can't, because he's never home. So I need my own car. I don't want to get my own car because I'm cheap. And I would rather save the money. I would rather save the money for vacations, for traveling, for eating out. What type of car do you want me to get?
Mazda, GMC, if probably Mercedes.
Did he say Mercedes? What car do you drive? What are you driving now?
I drive Honda,
but you want me to get a Mercedes?
Give me 4 more years. I'm buying Mercedes. Everybody.
The boy is retro.
I'm gonna buy a
the
cash.
guy is retro.
I'll buy it cash. I won't listen.
This man went from fufu to Ferrari. He went from fufu to Ferrari. Okay, the boy is living good. Oh, life is good. Oh. You need to put on your hat. That's when you're really cute. Cause that hairline, baby.
Thank you.
A year or even more into the pandemic, still forgetting masks when we go inside. We were literally by the door. So Bay is getting our mask. Thank you, my brother.
My father is your brother.
This is going on YouTube, so keep talking shit. So y'all, this car is really dope. This is the first time we've seen this. Put your phone down, babe. It actually has a charger right in the console.
Villager.
You've never seen that before, you villager.
Why is the thing not fixed?
You've never seen that before. Others not doing it? It does it the other way.
Not the other way. It's this way.
Why is it not doing it? That's embarrassing. It was doing it. Well, it charges somehow. This console and everything is really nice. Everything's good. Nothing to really complain about. The backup is really nice too, which is good. You can see everything. You can see the sides. They're real wide. Backup for those of us who are sometimes reversing challenge. So that's a really nice feature as well. The only thing is that the seat is a bit small. I feel like I'm really tight in here. And Richmond's car, I'm kind of tight too. I just have wide hips. But here, the side kind of goes into my chubby little sides. I don't like that. Besides the seat being a bit small, I actually really do love this car. I would get this car. It's really roomy too. Like, it has a lot of space too. What did you think about the Honda CR-V? Good. Which you didn't like. You didn't like it when we looked it up online.
Good, nice.
So you changed your mind about it?
Yeah.
What did you like about it?
The phone charger.
That's the only thing you like? We're headed to the Toyota now to see what they have in terms of SUVs. What type of Toyota are you interested in me getting?
Please, let's go out. I'm hungry.
Thank you, my king. So this is a car I actually wasn't expecting to even try out. This is the Versa, or I think Venta, Versa. Child, I don't know nothing about cars. I was coming to look at the RAV4, but the RAV4 is kind of tight on the inside. It's pretty small, while this one is really super duper spacious on the inside. And the color is great. How big is the trunk, babe?
It's big.
Oh yeah, it's a pretty big trunk. Yo, I want an SUV, but I don't want to pay the SUV price. Like, these cars are like 30,000 plus. I don't know anything about cars. I'm not fancy. I haven't had my own car in several years. It's not really important to me. But these cars are high. So we're gonna test drive a 2019 used car, the RAV4, XLE. There's a fair price here. KBB says the price that they're charging is a fair price, so I feel good, but it's still $26,000, which is about what I wanted to spend. I really wanted to spend like 23 ideally, but that was for a new car. So the fact that a used car is $26,000. If I had to choose my favorite car for the day, it would definitely be the Mazda. I never even considered getting a Mazda. He likes Mazdas. The CX-5 is really nice, but their asking price is I think 28. I didn't like talk him down or anything like that. He didn't seem interested in that. So I am gonna go to maybe another Mazda and check it out. That Mazda really doesn't have good reviews, but none of the Mazdas in this area does. So I'm going to shop around and see if I can find something similar to the CX-5, but that's what we have so far. I may end the vlog right here because I think I've shown you enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. You'll definitely know what car to decide on. Let me know if you do have an SUV or you're in the market for SUVs and you're researching. Let me know what you bought or are thinking about buying, because I need all the help I can get. I don't know much about cars. He knows a lot, but he has like what he wants me to get. We're not doing that. So let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. This vlog was fun. I hope it was fun for you as it was for me making it. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye y'all.